On every single day, close to 330 million digital Indians transact using UPI. What is UPI? We all know UPI is a digital payments method used by most of the Indians for sending and receiving funds. Yes? How do we do that? We usually scan a QR code or we type in a mobile number and then type in the value you want to transfer to that particular person. Isn't it? Excellent. What are the chances that you always type the correct phone number? Say for example, you typed the wrong phone number and transferred 10,000 rupees to the other account. What are the chances that you can retrieve back that money and assume that particular person is not picking the call? The person you do not even know is not picking the call. What would you do to retrieve back the money? Is there a method to get a refund for the incorrect transaction that you did? Let me tell you, the answer is yes. The good news for you is yes, there is a method to get a refund of the wrong transaction that is committed. So how do you do that? So UPI applications such as Paytm, GPay, Amazon Pay, WhatsApp Pay, etc., they have the option to send money and receive in money. Yes. But also on the top right, you see a button which says help. When you go to the help option, there is an option to report an incorrect transaction. So once you click the incorrect transaction, it will say which transaction do you want to report. So it will show the list of transactions that you did. So once you select that particular transaction, it will be reported and you will get a call from the officials in the next 2 days. Assume you waited for 2 days and you still did not get a response back from any banking officials. What next? Is there another method or other step that you have to do? Yes, there is another step that you can actually perform, which is log into NPCI's website. NPCI is the National Payment Corporation of India. Once you go to the NPCI website, you have an option called UPI. Inside UPI, there is a sub-menu which says Dispute Redressal Mechanism. Inside this, you have to lodge a complaint or raise a case by entering in the UTR detail of the transaction, number one. Number two, you have to enter in the recipient detail and the sender detail, both the details, by entering in their phone number and the VPA details. VPA is in virtual private address details, right? And you have to enter the time and date the transaction was done. And on top of it, you also have to give a screenshot as a proof of the particular transaction as an attachment to that particular case. Once you upload this particular case on NPCI, you can definitely expect the UPI or the NPCI agency to connect with the bank and you will get the refund back without issues. And I have personally got few of my friends do this and they've successfully got the refund. Let me ask you this, in case you found this useful or if you think someone else needs this information, consider sharing and subscribing. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights on cybersecurity.